Hey everyone! This is a quick tutorial on how audio works on the Sony A6600 camera. This isn't really a camera that you will be using regularly like the UX90s, but if you do use this camera, it's always good to know how to pair all the different microphones to it to get the best audio you can. Here is the camera. When you're holding it, you may notice this small flap on the left with all these little labels. If you pull towards you to open it, you'll see 4 ports that correspond to the labels on the outer flap. The only ports you'll need for this video are the bottom 2. They both have the same shape, but have different colors, so you can easily tell them apart without looking at all the labels. This one is the headphone jack. This is where you can plug in all sorts of headphones to listen to the audio you're capturing. To adjust the volume, simply press Menu and then go into the General Settings. Then press the center button on the volume settings and rotate the wheel to move the volume up or down. And that's all you need to know for headphones to get started. Now, onto the most important part, the microphones. In our studio, there are 3 main types of microphones you will be using: handhelds, Larks, and Rhodes. When using these with any camera, you'll need the Bluetooth adapter that's in the case with the mics. Plug that into the red port on the camera via Bobby, remember him? Then take the microphones out of the case. The lights on both the receiver and the mics themselves should turn solid green or blue. Either way, they're still paired to the camera. As always, remember to put everything back where it was. The last type you'll use is the Rode microphones, also known as lapel mics. For these, there's 1 receiver and 2 microphones in each bag, along with another Bobby and an XLR adapter. For this, you'll only need the mics and the receiver, and Bobby. Telling the receiver apart from the mics can be difficult, but the only real noticeable difference is that the receiver has a screen while the mics don't. Turn on the receiver first by holding the big button at the bottom that looks like this, and use Bobby to connect it to the camera via the small round port on the side of the receiver. Then turn on the mics by holding the same button and wait for the blinking light on both the receiver and the mic to turn solid blue. You'll typically use these mics when you use the wireless handheld mics that you commonly see in our lunch interviews. For all of these microphones, adjusting the volume of the actual mic is easy. Just press left on the rotational pad and rotate to adjust the volume to your liking. Remember to plug in headphones to hear your adjustments. Well, that's all you need to know for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you out there.